After the first 1 month decline that we saw in nearly a year, the benchmark price of a single family home in Kelowna went up again in October. So I have to ask, where's the crash? I'm Tyrell Boake, a realtor in Kelowna, and if you're new to the channel, I help you navigate the real estate market and provide you with useful information so you can make informed decisions that make sense for you. If you get any value out of today's video, please hit that like button and remember to subscribe so you don't miss out on future market updates and so that other people like you can see this video too. If you'd like to book a discovery call with me, hit the first link in the description where you can book a time that works best for you. I know that there are a lot of people that were hoping the real estate prices in Kelowna were going to crash, especially with the higher interest rates that we've been experiencing. But as more time passes, I think the likelihood of that happening is less and less. And with inventory still in short supply in most of the country and our growing population, an all-out crash just doesn't look like it's going to happen. Interest rates have been at or near a 20-year high for almost an entire calendar year, and in my market of Kelowna, we've only seen 1 month where the benchmark price has actually gone down. We may see some seasonal softening over the next couple of months, but that's normal market behavior. That being said, 70% of the homes that are on the market right now aren't selling. So if you're priced too high or you're using an aspirational pricing strategy, the likelihood of having a successful sale on your home is very low. Buyers are savvy and they refuse to overpay above market value. The benchmark price of a single family home in Kelowna increased almost $20,000 in October to $1,025,700, which is up 3.5% from a year ago. Historically, prices increase about 6% per year, so we are below what the average growth is, but prices are still higher than they were at this time last year. We still aren't back to the peak of the market that we saw in the spring of 2021, but home prices are still up 33% from what they were 3 years ago. Sales are down 16% year over year, so as I mentioned earlier, you need to have a competitive price if you're bringing your home to the market if you want to have a successful sale. We are inching closer to a balanced market in single-family homes again, and that will also alleviate any pressure there was for prices to come down. Remember that if the sales for the month are between 30 and 60% of available inventory, that's considered a balanced market, and we're right on the cusp of that at 32% of active inventory selling, which also means that 70% of homes on the market aren't selling. In the townhome market, prices did decline $46,000 month over month to a benchmark price of $739,100, and it is slightly down from a year ago. We are seeing these declines in the townhome market because the price of a townhome combined with monthly strata fees brings your mortgage payment up to relatively the same as it would be on a starter home, let's say. So if you had the option between getting a starter home or a townhome, most people are opting to move into that starter home instead of a townhome. So it makes sense that the price of a townhome is coming down a little bit. Until detached single-family home prices go back up again, the prices of townhomes is going to stay stable, or it might even come down a little bit more still. This is going to present a great opportunity for buyers in the coming months. After a 1 month decline in the price of a condo, the benchmark price was up again month over month in October by about $30,000 to $517,300. This segment of the market will be interesting to watch over the next few months as new short-term rental regulations are being introduced by the City of Kelowna and the Province of British Columbia that have the potential of causing drastic changes. If a bunch of inventory suddenly hits the market with these rule changes, it's going to put significant pressure on condo prices to come down, which is great news for first-time buyers who are looking to make their first purchase and get on the property ladder, but it's not great news for the people that own those properties as investments. That being said, the benchmark price of a condo is up 40% in Kelowna from what it was 3 years ago, so any investor who was in it for the long term still stands to make a return on their investment. For now, we're seeing a balanced market for condos in Kelowna with prices up about 6% from what they were last year. Let me know what you think's going to happen in the comments below. Do you still hope that there's going to be a crash in the real estate market in Kelowna? And maybe let me know what evidence you have found that shows that that still might happen. Or do you think that with interest rates slated to probably start to come down over the next 12 months, have we reached the bottom of the market and eventually prices are just going to go back up? As I mentioned before, we're definitely going to see a slight softening in the market over the next few months as we go through the winter, but I'm really curious to see what's going to happen in the spring. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.